My name is Jerry. I am 18 years old. I am here to take my booster shot. So I heard there's a new variant, so that's why I want to protect myself and my family. And especially because I'm home from college, I just want my family members to be safe and make sure that everyone is protected. For my junior and senior year, I guess our high school didn't have prom. So, like, our class just didn't have prom in general. So I hope that the classes after us will have prom because that's going to be a memorable event. There's definitely less like going out and hanging out with friends, and like every time you go, you have to be careful. And but yeah, what I'm looking forward to is just going to school and not having to worry about catching the virus. I would encourage other people my age to get vaccinated because they can also protect other people like their family members. So it's bigger than themselves.